Hi guys, this is a Keychron K2V2 hot swappable board with red switches. The switches are stock and the stabs are factory loot, a bit heavy. I've just added a foam to the board. Let's see how it does it sound. Sorry for the noises from the outside. Okay, let's see. Okay. Let me just show you the mods. Okay, these are the mods. Rattly spacebar. Okay, these are the alphas. Okay, thank you.